I got a 98 Ford Explorer. I don't know the keypad. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna try and find out the code for my door keypad. So what we're gonna need is we're gonna need a dental mirror and a flashlight. So I was reading online, and they say the code usually is back in here. This side, on the left side. So what we're gonna do is take it apart. There we have the keypad control manual. Not manual. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the dental to try to see the numbers. So I'm gonna use this right here, and gonna see if we can see the numbers. Alright, let's see. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of hard to see. Has a white sticker on it, and that white sticker, you're gonna have let me see, I can say something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Okay, it's in the bold letter. It's not bold letter, in bold numbers. And it's 19535. It's on the white sticker right in this. This is a keypad control module, and it's on the white sticker. And I can see 19535. 535. Let's see if I can get it closer so you can be able to see it too. For some reason I'm making a shadow. I think I got it there. Okay, we say it was 9535. Alright, let's go take a look. Let's lock the doors. One, 9, 5, 3, 5. There you go. It worked. Lock it. 1, 9, 5, 3, 5. It works. Alright guys, good luck with your truck. See if you can find your code. And if you get any questions, just shoot me an email or just write a comment. Alright, great day.